Why does your scanner show the P2506 engine code? What does it mean? P2506 is a diagnostic trouble code for ECM or PCM power input signal range or performance. This engine code indicates that this issue can stem from various problems like a failing battery, a faulty charging system, or issues with electrical connections and the power input circuit for the control module. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: low or high battery voltage, faulty wiring or connections, failed PCM power relay, failing ECM or PCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture. Since 1996, it is commonly found in Mercedes-Benz, Toyota, and Ford vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.